Jim and I might be new to making videos, but we have had many great years of classic British car ownership going all the way back to our first cars. Between us, we have enjoyed several Minis, a Triumph Spitfire, a few MGBs, a Jag, and now our lovely little midget, Dotty. As you can imagine, all these little beauties did, at times, throw a tantrum, and when they did, we would often find the part we needed at MGOC Spares. MGOC Spares have a vast range of classic MG parts and accessories and also look after the needs of MGF drivers, Classic Mini, Land Rover, Morris and many more to keep your loved one on the road for many more memories to come. So check out their website at www.mgocspares.co.uk. Piston Broke is proud to be supported by MGOC Spares. Thank you and enjoy the video.
Good morning and welcome back to another workshop diary with me, Jim, and Dotty, our 1977 Project Midget. So one of the jobs I want to do today, it's a little job I've been meaning to get around to doing for ages, is reattaching some of these lift the dot hood studs. So we had a couple that were missing on the other side and I've reattached them, and I forgot I got this one to do as well. So this is the little lift the dot brass stud, and it simply snaps into the fitting on the back of the roof there, holds the roof securely, and to remove you just pull and that comes out. So we've got a hole already here in the rear wing, so to insert that I'm just going to pull up the little rubber trim. Now I know from the other side I needed to put a couple of little spacer washers in just to set it far enough out that the roof can pick up on it. So I'll pop that in. And a little 8mm nut on the back. Should have got two spanners, shouldn't I really? Wait there, don't go anywhere. Okay, still there? Good. So we'll nip that up on the front there. All we need to do now is refit this rubber seal. And from previous experience on the other side, need to just release the hole a little bit just to allow this lift the dot fastener to sit flat. Some of the rubber seals on here are a little bit perished actually, so we might replace some of these rubber bits at a later date. There we go. So that's getting that sitting much neater now, and hopefully, if we're lucky, we can stretch the hood down It's a bit cold this morning, so it's going to require a little bit more force, but there we go. That snaps on. I'll pop a little bit more Velcro on here just to hold the bottom end of the hood. And otherwise, I think we can call that job done.